Today we'll solve one more problem on isometric projection. The statement of the problem is like this. A square prism of side 40 mm and height 70 mm has a full depth coaxial square hole of base side 20 mm such that the edges of both the squares are parallel. Draw the isometric projection of the hollow prism. So here there is a square prism having a side 40 by 70 and it is having a full depth coaxial square hole and the square hole dimension is given as 20 mm. First we'll construct the square prism of side 40 and height 70. Select the line command. I will draw a reference line, then 40 mm square, so 40 enter, angle 30 enter, then 40 enter, angle 150 enter, 40 enter, minus 150 enter, and 40 enter, minus 30 enter. After this, I will select the move command. I will select the bottom face. I will enter the step value as 70 because the height of the square prism is 70. Make sure the copy command should be on. I will select one of the corner and I will drag and I will place. After that, I will use the line command to join the longer edges. After that, I will use trim command and I will trim. Now the square prism of side 40 and height 70 mm is completed. Now I need to have a square hole of base side 20 mm. So for that I will use the scale command. I will select the top face of the square prism and I am going to reduce the scale. The side of the square prism is 40 but the square hole side is 20, so the scale would be 20 by 40 and place it exactly at the center. Make sure the copy should be on. Now in the problem it is given it is a through hole having a full depth coaxial square hole, so I need to join these two corner with a line. Now I'll select this entire solid and I will reduce the scale to ISO, that is 0.816. Copy should be off and place. Now dimensioning. Angle between 30 degree on both the sides. Then the ISO dimensioning. I'm going to increase the thickness of this particular solid by selecting the entire solid. You can give the thickness as 0.5. Now the dimensioning, go to smart dimension. I need to do ISO dimensioning. So click here, make it blank, then go to smart dimension prefix, enter the prefix as ISO, then enter 40, which is the side of the square prism. Click apply and you can show it here. Then height is 70, enter, click apply and drag. Then square hole dimension is 20, apply, then show it here. Then it is a through hole, so this much dimensioning is enough for this particular problem. So this complete the problem. Thank you.